Question number 1. Kanha National Park is located in which state? The correct answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 2. In which city of Assam is the tea festival celebrated every year? The correct answer is option C, Jorhat. Question number 3. The ancient city of Dholavira is located in which state? The correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Question number 4. Kedarnath temple is located in which state of India? The correct answer is option C, Uttarakhand. Question number 5. Who is the author of the book Descent of Man? The correct answer is option B, Charles Darwin. Question number 6. Who has been honored with Saraswati Samman 2023? The correct answer is option C, Prabha Varman. Question number 7. Rampani Sanctuary is located in which state of India? The correct answer is option C, Assam. Question number 8. Who won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913? The correct answer is option A, Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 9. Which is the highest civilian award of India? The correct answer is option B, Bharat Ratna. Question number 10. When was national football team established? The correct answer is option A, 1937. Question number 11. In which Indian state Chori Chora incident took place in 1922? The correct answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. In which year National Development Council was constituted? The correct answer is option B, 1952. Question number 13. Who is the chairman of the National Development Council? The correct answer is option A, Prime Minister of India. Question number 14. Which is the largest coffee producer in the state of India? The correct answer is option B, Karnataka. Question number 15. Where is the headquarters of Reserve Bank of India located? The correct answer is option D, Mumbai. Question number 16. In which year Mother Teresa won the Nobel Peace Prize? The correct answer is option C, 1979. Question number 17. Where is the famous Madhubani temple located? The correct answer is option D, Bodh Gaya. Question number 18. Which country is the newest member of NATO? The correct answer is option D, Sweden. Question number 19. Who appoints the chairman of the National Human Rights Commission? The correct answer is option B, President of India. Question number 20. Which is the largest island in the world? The correct answer is option A, Greenland. Which is the smallest country in the world? The correct answer is option A, Vatican City. Question number 22. Where is the headquarters of UNESCO located? The correct answer is option B, Paris. Question number 23. In which Indian state is the Flamingo Festival celebrated? The correct answer is option D, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 24. When was Jim Corbett National Park established? The correct answer is option D, 1936. Question number 25. Which is the oldest high court in India? The correct answer is option B, Calcutta High Court. Question number 26. Which city in India is known as the City of Golden Temple? The correct answer is option D, Amritsar. Question number 27. Which state in India is only 2 districts? The correct answer is option C, Goa. Question number 28. Where is the headquarters of all the health organization located? The correct answer is option C, Geneva. Question number 29. Which state is considered as the land of rising sun? The correct answer is option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 30. Which city is called the Gateway of Northeast India? The correct answer is option A, Guwahati.